So today I'm talking about a P0202 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P0202 code? Well, it's an injector circuit open cylinder 2. And so what does this mean? Well, basically each cylinder on the engine is going to have a fuel injector that's sending fuel into that cylinder. But when you get a P0202 code, the computer's seeing a problem with cylinder number 2 fuel injector. P0202 is going to point to that number 2 cylinder. If you got a P0203, that would point to number 3 cylinder, P0204, number 4 cylinder, and so on and so on. So if you Google the cylinder locations on your particular vehicle, since there is differences, and you find the number 2 cylinder, that's going to be the one to go and take a look at. The computer is seeing some kind of problem with the injector on cylinder number 2, and so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0202 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that fuel injector on cylinder number 2 has just gone bad and just needs to be replaced. There's some different ways you go about checking to see if that fuel injector has failed. These fuel injectors have a little coil inside of there that when voltage goes to it is going to energize it and is going to pull on a magnet, which is going to let fuel go into that cylinder. So if you have a multimeter, you can go and check that coil and be sure that it's good. Basically, to do this, you set the meter to ohms, and then you just go and see and check what the ohms are. If you don't get any reading, then it's open and you know it's bad. You can also look up what the rated ohms are for that fuel injector, and then check to be sure that it's correct. You will need to look up what the rated ohms are for your particular vehicle, since there is differences. If you can't find the information on what the rated ohms are, then quite often you can check the other ones that you know are good, and you can see if that fuel injector number 2 is close to that, and that'll give you a good idea if it's failed or not. You can also just swap it with another cylinder that you know is good and just see if the problem follows. So like I said, there's some different ways to go about checking to see if that fuel injector has gone bad. But the first thing that could cause this is a bad fuel injector on cylinder number 2. The next thing that could cause this is the wiring going to that fuel injector on cylinder number 2. If anything's wrong with the wiring, there's like an open, there's a short, something along these lines, then that's going to cause problems. Again, there's some different ways to go about troubleshooting this. You can use a multimeter and go and check and be sure that you're getting voltage to that injector number 2 and that the wire is going back to the computer and things like this, that they're all good. If you do go to check the wiring like this, it's a good idea to get a wiring schematic and diagrams for your particular vehicle. Quite often you can find them using like Google Images or looking in forums or different things like this. Although sometimes, depending on the vehicle, they can be hard to find. So if you can't find them for free online, then there's also paid options that you can go and use. A professional mechanic is going to have paid options that they can just pull all these schematics up for a particular vehicle. So if you do need schematics and you can't find them for free, I'll put some links down below to paid options that professional mechanics will use. But hopefully you can find them for free, because the last thing on the list that could cause this is going to be that there is some kind of wiring issue going on to that injector on cylinder number 2. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you could go about fixing a vehicle with the P0202 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.